Imagine, for a moment, receiving a message from a friend who vanished into the stars long ago, a voice echoing back across the vastness of space and time. That's Voyager 1, our silent ambassador, launched in 1977, now carrying a golden record as it sails through the galaxy, far beyond the reach of our solar system. This golden record is more than just a disk. It's a time capsule of Earth, a carefully curated mixtape for the cosmos, filled with music, greetings, and the sounds of our planet, just in case someone or something stumbles upon it in the endless dark. But what if, against all odds, we could bring Voyager home? What if this messenger could return to the world that sent it, carrying stories from the edge of the unknown? Imagine Voyager 1 displayed in a museum, a hero's return after an impossible journey, inspiring generations to dream even bigger. This idea stirs our imagination and raises profound questions about our place in the universe, about what it means to reach out into the unknown and hope for a reply. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It's a living piece of human history, built by dreamers in the 1970s, now farther from Earth than anything we've ever made, an enduring symbol of our curiosity and courage. It's witnessed the rings of Saturn, the swirling storms of Jupiter, and now drifts through the silent, mysterious expanse of interstellar space, with the sun just a distant point of light. Bringing it back would be a scientific and cultural triumph, a moment of celebration for all humanity, uniting us in wonder and pride. Scientists would be eager to study what decades in deep space have done to Voyager, what cosmic dust it's collected, what radiation it's endured, and what stories its battered hull could tell about the journey through the harshest environment we know. The data from such a mission would be priceless, revealing secrets about the interstellar medium, those mysterious regions between the stars that we simply can't access any other way. But can we actually do it? Is it even possible to bring Voyager home after all these years? Can NASA orchestrate a return mission for our cosmic pioneer, overcoming the immense distances and technical challenges that stand in the way? The challenge is immense, pushing the limits of our technology, our imagination, and our determination to explore. Let's dive into the reality behind this dream and explore what it would truly take to bring Voyager back from the edge of forever. Is it possible, or is it just science fiction? The answer may surprise you. Before we even begin to dream of bringing Voyager 1 back home, let's take a moment to meet our intrepid traveler, a true pioneer of the cosmos. Launched in the year 1977, Voyager 1 is a robotic explorer from an era when vinyl records spun music and bulky TVs were the norm in living rooms. Its mission was nothing short of ambitious, a grand tour of the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn, unveiling the secrets of volcanic moons and the wonders of our outer solar system. Equipped with less computing power than a modern smartphone, it managed to rewrite our textbooks and capture breathtaking images that expanded our understanding of the universe. After its planetary flybys, Voyager 1 continued its journey, venturing out of the solar system and into the vast unknown where no human-made object had gone before. It carries the golden record, a gold-plated disc containing greetings, music, and images from Earth, a cosmic hello to any distant finders, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. Voyager 1 is not just a scientific instrument, it is a cultural artifact, a symbol of our insatiable curiosity and boundless hope for the future. In 2012, it achieved a historic milestone by crossing into interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so, marking a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. Now it sends faint signals from the space between stars, our silent representative in the cosmic dark, whispering tales of its journey back to us. Voyager 1 isn't merely a machine, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Its journey is a story of discovery, endurance, and the unyielding urge to reach beyond the confines of our home planet. It's our oldest, farthest emissary, still exploring, still inspiring, a beacon of human spirit in the vastness of space. And it's still out there, alone in the vastness, but never forgotten, a silent guardian of our dreams and aspirations. The biggest challenge in bringing Voyager 1 home? Its unimaginable distance, over 16 billion miles away. To drive there at highway speed would take over 30,000 years. Voyager 1 is speeding away at 38,000 miles per hour. Any rescue craft would need to go even faster, then slow down, grab Voyager, and return. The energy and fuel required are beyond anything we've ever built. Navigating to a car-sized object in interstellar space is like finding a grain of sand on all the world's beaches. Even with advanced propulsion, a round trip would take centuries. Generations would pass before a return, if it were even possible. The distance is not just physical, but generational, a barrier of time as much as space. Voyager's journey is beyond imagination, and so is the challenge of bringing it back. Distance isn't the only problem when it comes to deep space exploration. Voyager 1, humanity's farthest and most intrepid explorer, is running out of power as it drifts farther from home than any other object we've ever built. Its nuclear battery, a radioisotope thermoelectric generator or RTG, has been fading steadily since launch in 1977, now producing just a fraction of its original output, barely enough to keep the probe alive. To stretch every last watt, NASA has shut down most of Voyager's scientific instruments and systems, leaving only the essentials running in a desperate bid to keep the mission going. Voyager is now operating on the bare minimum, a skeleton crew of systems just enough to send a faint signal back to Earth. If a rescue were ever attempted, Voyager would need to help, send signals, stabilize itself, maybe even adjust its orientation, but soon it won't have the power to do anything at all. By the time any rescue could possibly arrive, Voyager will be a silent, frozen relic, drifting endlessly through the darkness. Any mission would have to find and capture an inert, unresponsive object, one that's simply drifting in the vast, empty void, with no way to communicate or signal its position. There will be no homing beacon, no last-minute help from Voyager itself, just a cold, silent probe waiting to be found. The rescue craft would need incredibly advanced systems to locate and gently retrieve the fragile probe, all without damaging its delicate structure. It's like performing surgery on a lost patient in the dark, in the middle of the ocean, with no guidance and no margin for error. The lack of power turns an already hard mission into an almost impossible one, pushing the limits of what's possible in space exploration. Voyager 1 is running on fumes, and soon, even those will be gone. The void is unforgiving, and out here, there are no second chances. The most fundamental reason Voyager 1 can't come home? It was never designed to. Like a baseball thrown into the sky, it's on a one-way path. No way to turn back. Voyager 1 has no main engine for major course changes or deceleration. Its tiny thrusters only adjust orientation, not speed or direction. To bring it back, you'd need to cancel out its immense momentum, requiring a massive engine and fuel it simply doesn't have. The mission was always a trade-off, speed and distance in exchange for a one-way journey. Building a return vehicle would have made the mission impossible with 1970s technology. The engineers knew this was a farewell mission from the start. Voyager 1 was built to leave, not to return. Its journey is a testament to bold choices and the spirit of exploration. It's a cosmic drifter, forever outbound. And that's exactly what it was meant to be. Even if we solved distance, power, and propulsion, communication would still be a nightmare. Voyager's signal is as weak as a refrigerator light bulb, barely detectable after crossing billions of miles. It takes over 24 hours for a message to reach Voyager, and another 24 for a reply. No real-time conversations, only painstakingly slow exchanges. Every command must be planned with extreme care. Mistakes take days to correct. A rescue mission would need to operate almost entirely on its own, with advanced AI making critical decisions. As Voyager drifts farther, its signal will fade into cosmic static. Soon, it will go completely silent, a lost voice in the universe. Any future mission would be searching for a dead, unresponsive object. Communication is the lifeline of space missions, and Voyager's is nearly gone. The silence is coming. With today's technology, bringing Voyager 1 home is science fiction. But what about the far future? Imagine fusion rockets, antimatter engines, or even warp drives, craft that could reach Voyager in years, not centuries. Advanced robotics could gently repair and cradle the fragile probe for the journey home. AI would need to be creative, autonomous, and capable of solving problems light years from Earth. But if we have such technology, would we really need to bring Voyager back? Or would it be a symbolic gesture for future historians? The very tech that could make a rescue possible might also make it unnecessary. In a future of starships, Voyager's return could be more about nostalgia than science. The paradox, the more advanced we become, the less we need to look back. Still, it's a fascinating dream. Since a physical return is impossible, we do what humans do best: preserve Voyager's story and data. Every image, every measurement, every signal is archived and studied. Voyager's true treasure. We build digital twins and virtual models, exploring the spacecraft in ways we never could in person. Its legacy lives on in classrooms, museums, and documentaries, inspiring new generations. The Golden Record has been re-released, letting us all share in the message sent to the stars. Voyager's mission continues, not in hardware, but in the knowledge and wonder it brings. Its story is shared with billions, far more than a physical artifact ever could reach. Voyager's value is in the new perspective it's given us. Its spirit is already home. Can NASA bring Voyager 1 back? The answer is no. Physics and engineering make it impossible. But that's not a sad ending. Voyager was never meant to return. Its destiny is to wander the galaxy for millions of years, a silent testament to human curiosity. Long after we're gone, it will carry our message through the stars. Voyager's true return is in the inspiration it gives us. Every time someone looks up and wonders, Voyager's story answers. It shows what we can achieve when we dare to explore. Its journey inspires new missions, new questions, and new dreams. Let's celebrate its eternal voyage, our message in a bottle, our ambassador to the galaxy. Its legacy is not in coming home, but in continuing outward. Voyager makes us look up and wonder, and that's the greatest return of all.